Samsung has made a significant move in the tech world, and it's something you'll want to hear about. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates about the Galaxy S25 series and Samsung's ambitious plans for 2025. They're going all out, and this first product from Samsung for 2025 is official. In what seems like a direct response to Apple, Samsung has revealed the Galaxy XR headset, which gives us our first official look at the groundbreaking device. What makes the Galaxy XR headset stand out from the competition, particularly the Apple Vision Pro, is its integration of AI-powered Android XR. Developed in partnership with Google, the Galaxy XR headset is the first of its kind to be fully equipped with both sight and sound capabilities, powered by Gemini AI. Gemini AI provides a real-time, immersive experience, helping you with various tasks and responding to what you're seeing when you wear the headset. The design is reminiscent of the Apple Vision Pro, but the Galaxy XR is much lighter, with advanced motion sensing and camera technology to detect floating gestures. We can expect more details to emerge during the upcoming Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. But Samsung's move doesn't stop there. They've just pulled off a major power move by catching the leakster who exposed real, hands-on footage of the Galaxy S25 Ultra ahead of its release. It's a bold step, but it's not the only thing Samsung has planned. For the S25 series, Samsung has set an ambitious sales target of 37 million units, which is higher than the previous year's target. This increase reflects Samsung's confidence in the S25 series and its potential in the market. An exciting aspect of the Galaxy S25 series is the second generation of Galaxy AI features, which could usher in a new wave of AI-powered advancements. One of the highlights we mentioned earlier is the possibility of Max SA being integrated into the S25 series. Samsung is also rumored to be releasing magnetic cases that take advantage of next-gen charging technology. There may even be other accessories, such as power banks, wallets, and pop grips, available to enhance the user experience. As for pricing, it appears that the Galaxy S25 series will maintain a similar price point to the Galaxy S24 series in Europe. This is great news for those concerned about price hikes. While nothing is confirmed yet, it's possible this pricing strategy will extend to other markets, too. Speaking of exciting news, Samsung is planning a stunning new color variant for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, titanium white with a silver middle frame. This sleek new look could be one of the most attractive versions of the S25 Ultra. In addition, the memory specs for the S25 Ultra have been revealed, showing that even the 512GB model will feature a massive 16GB of RAM. On top of that, it's rumored to include UFS 4.1 storage, the fastest standard available, ensuring rapid app installation and uninstallation, as well as super-fast data transfer speeds.